Alright, in solving this, the first thing we are going to do is to look for the LCM of the denominators, that is 7 and 2. Once we have gotten the LCM, we are going to use it to multiply each of these. That is, we will multiply this by the LCM, this by the LCM, and this by the LCM. So the LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. So we are going to use 14 to multiply everything. We will start from this one. 14 times 2y equals to 14 times 5y plus 1 all over 7 plus 14 times 3y minus 5 all over 2. If you look at this, you will find out that 7 is a factor of 14. Same thing with 2. Alright, so you are going to use 14 to cancel out 7 and equally use 14 to cancel out 2. So let's go. 7 here 1, 7 here 2, 7 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 7. So we now have 14 times 2y equals to, we have 2 here, 2 times 5y plus 1 plus 7 times 3y minus 5. Right? So the next we are going to do is to open up this. Alright, we are going to open this by using 2 to multiply everything here. Same thing, we are going to open this by using 7 to multiply everything here. So we are going to go 14 times 2y will give us 28y equals to 2 times 5y will give us 10y. 2 times 1 will give us 2 plus 7 times this will give us 21y. 7 times this will give us minus 35. So we have 28y equals to 10y. Let's bring this together. Plus 21y plus 2 minus 35. Now we have 28y equals to, adding these two together, we'll have 31y. Adding this, when you add 2 to negative 35, we are going to get minus 33. Alright, now let's bring this particular one to this side by simply subtracting 31y from both sides. We'll say subtract 31y from both sides. So we're going to have 28y minus 31y equals to 31y minus 31y minus 33. This will cancel out this, that is 0. So when we subtract this, we are going to have minus 3y equals to minus 33. We'll simply divide both sides by minus 3. Alright? So we're going to have minus 3y over minus 3 equals to minus 33 over minus 3. This will cancel this one, this one. This will cancel this here, 1, 3 here, 11. So we have y equals to 11 as our answer. So the value of our y in this equation is 11.